Hello and welcome inside the course. I'm so pleased you've decided to come in and learn more about your intuition and how to work with your intuition. Okay, so before we get into the 5 sort of steps of developing our intuition, we really need to discuss the primary principle. And it's this primary principle which sets up the overall context for understanding what intuition is and how intuition works. So what is this primary principle? The primary principle is the understanding and eventually the full experience that all things, all forms, are actually just coming out of a vibrational frequency. Or in other words, out of an energy field. So that means that all forms, including our physical body, all the things that we see in our environment, and even all the things that we experience in our mind, such as images, thoughts, words, symbols, are actually just coming out of a vibrational reality or a vibrational frequency. Therefore, if we can understand that and we can start living in a way that is more attuned to frequency rather than form, then we can actually start shaping the way forms are expressed or forms are experienced. And this is really where intuition comes in, because intuition is essentially a type of energy field or a vibrational frequency. And when we're not being intuitive, this means that we're just sitting in a frequency where that intuitive capacity is not available. Okay, so I might leave it at that. So the primary principle is basically that all things are coming out of a vibrational undertone. And if we can come to understand that, accept that, and start experiencing that for ourselves, then we have more capacity and more power to be able to live more in the world of frequency, where actually there's a lot more power and there's a lot more potential in the world of frequency. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to start talking about our authentic vibration or our home frequency. So I'll see you then.